Eddie, look at the walls. What are they made of?
Mud.
Called sod. See the stove?
These look amazing.
That's a real
I
stove.
wonder how they live.
How did they get the stove? How did they get heat in the stove? What's over here? They put the wood in? Mm-hmm.
They put it under there and light the fire.
Can you show her how that stove works?
Or mud pies.
Even the floor is made of mud.
Look at Eddie, a waffle iron. Come here, Ed.
Where?
We'll go in there in a minute.
What are these things?
You know what those are?
Mud pies.
You know what they're made of?
They're plates for them, I think.
Plates? No, I don't think they're plates. You know, those are cow pies. Those are cow duties. You can burn them.
Yeah. What's in there?
The bedroom. This
They
was
only
their,
have
this was
3
their house.
rooms. They only have 3 rooms.
See? That's right. See how they hung their clothes up?
This is so
What do you think about that bed, Addie? Come here.
I like the kitchen.
Mom has the camera.
Dresser.
Mom has the camera, guys. Can we take some pictures, Mom? Yes, I have it.
These are
Yeah, hold on.
A little window here. We're just above ground at the window.
We're rested together. Yeah, because I can't.